Has your vehicle recently gone through any wet cement? And are you now able to figure out how to get cement out of a car? You are in the proper location. You can find efficient do-it-yourself solutions here, regardless of whether the stone is dried out or just has cement stains on it. But just before we start, please subscribe to the channel. Vinegar, the cleaner of everything. Everyone is aware of Vinegar's amazing cleaning abilities, which you can also use to remove cement from your car. Water, a spray bottle, paper towels, and pure white vinegar are all you'll need to accomplish this. Using the paper towel, first remove any fresh cement that may have formed. The next step is to simply fill the spray bottle to the brim with an equal amount of vinegar and water, then squirt the mixture onto the cement. As soon as the mixture is sprayed, immediately place some paper towels over the stain. Recall that scratching or rubbing can exacerbate the situation. Give the paper towel a few minutes to sit on the stain. Because vinegar is acidic, it reverses the concrete's hardening process and causes the cement to begin to lift. Apply extra vinegar to lift up as much cement as you can when you see this happening. Continue doing this until all of the concrete has been removed from your car. This is the correct way to remove cement from a car. Mild acidic cleaner. Let's examine how the mildly acidic cleaner would carefully remove the concrete from your car after seeing how the vinegar's strong acidity persuaded the cement to come off. You need a mildly acidic cleaning product for that concern. The real question at hand is, why are we removing such stiff concrete with a gentle solution? Indeed, mildly acidic environments are more likely than any other to break the solid bond of alkaline cement. If you want to remove cement from your car without using any maintenance advice, just apply it to the stain. Wait until you see the cement starting to separate from the bottom, and then use a sponge to clean it. Just to be cautious, even mild acidic materials could damage your skin and vehicle. For this reason, wear gloves and other safety gear at all times. Salt. A bowl, paper towel, knife, water razor, and salt, of course, are required for this method. Combine salt and water to a concentrated solution. Immerse the paper towel into the solution and allow it to absorb all of the liquid. Place the paper towel that has been soaked on the area where you wish to remove the cement. Give it a half hour. Using a knife or water razor, carefully scrape the cement so as not to leave any scratches on the car's body. If there are any remaining stains, add more solution and carry out the entire procedure again. WD-40. People often believe that stains like these will never go away and become extremely worried when they do. However, if you use WD-40 to remove the concrete from the car, that wouldn't be the case. Without damaging the paint, the potent liquid helps remove some of the most notorious cement stains from the surface of your car. Unlike most common home components, WD-40 multi-use product helps you remove cement stains without the need for repeated attempts. It ensures that you will be able to access a clean car in a timely manner. These are the top 4 suggestions for handling your query, how to remove cement from car. These techniques can be used to get cement out of windows, surfaces, or any area of the vehicle. So don't worry about the car stains and enjoy your ride. Hope the information was helpful for you. If so, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel.